No problem. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at a impact driver. This is the Brushless Dewalt, the DCF887. This particular driver has 3 modes on it. Slow, medium, and super fast. And all around is a really great drill. This is my go-to drill. This is what I use every day. Or driver, I should say. I always say drill, so that's just me. But yeah, impact driver, this is my go-to. They're just really great. They're light, they do exactly what I need. They can drive screws all day long, and you can also drill holes with these as well. So let's take a closer look at some of the specs. In level 1, which is the slowest speed, that is 0 to 1000 RPMs, and level 2 is 0 to 2800 RPMs, and level 3 is 0 to 3250 RPMs. So the torque rating on this for level 1, we'll do it in inch pounds, is 0 to 240. That's max torque on level 1. Level 2, it's 0 to 1500, and level 3 is 0 to 1825. Those are all in inch pounds. So, really good drill, or impact. The guys are always bugging me online saying I call impacts drills. It's just habit. It's a drill to me, but you know, it's an impact really. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive in some 3-inch screws into this treated 4x6. So, and we'll do a screw for each level, and you can kind of see the different speeds here. So we'll start off on level 1, which is very underwhelming, guys. So won't even go in all the way. That's level 1. So very slow, very controlled. Don't expect a lot of torque. Like I said, 0 to 240 inch-pounds of torque. So number 2, middle speed. This is where I typically keep it at. So no problem. Easy, controlled, not too fast, not too slow, and drives it in super nice. And then setting number 3. Even faster. So if you are doing repetitious screwing, level 3 is your number. This impact comes with, you got 3 LED lights on the front, got a nice hook on the left here. You can mount it on the right if you want, just depends. I might actually put this on the right hand side because I've been finding I've been keeping it on my left side a lot lately, and it's always switched around because I tend to keep my Metabo nail gun. This is when I'm building a fence. So I keep my nail gun over here and I keep my screw gun over here. So I'm finding I might just switch that clip. But, you know, whatever works for you. What else? This is the brushless motor on this one. This is the DCF887. It is a quarter inch impact driver. And like I said, it's just all around a really good impact. I run the slim batteries on these all the time. So this is the 2.0. And I just find it gives it a really nice balance. It's not too bulky in my bag or on my side. I just really like it. I love the quick in and out of the bits. Very easy. And all around just an awesome impact driver. If you guys want to leave some comments down below, let me know what you guys think about this impact driver. I know there's a bunch of them out there. There's the new Connect ones, which for me, I don't really need that Connect. I mean, the ability to locate your stuff if it's got a battery or if it's on or if you're in the vicinity, you know, it's just extra money. I don't see the point in it. Maybe for some commercial guys, there might be a benefit, but I don't really do commercials. So I don't really see a benefit to having that function, but I'm sure somebody would love it. There's also the level below this, which is another great impact. We'll do a review on that as well, and maybe a head-to-head. But yeah, good rubber overmold. So super stoked at this impact here. So yeah, leave some comments down below. If you like the video, subscribe, hit that notify bell, all that good stuff. Till next time, guys, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.